Hi, this is Lee Benz, the homeschooler, and I wanted to share with you the most annoying sound in the entire world. You ready? Listen carefully. That right there, so annoying. That noise right here, that means that my son Kevin is not cleaning his room, he's not emptying the dishwasher, he's not doing his homework, he's not reading the book I told him to read, he's totally goofing off, okay? It annoyed me to no end. And you know what I found out? I found out that the thing that I found so annoying with that chess move, that was the source of him getting scholarships. That was the source of him being a really critical thinker and wanting to go into engineering and getting a fabulous job. It's like, who knew that what was so annoying to me would be such a good thing? So today I'd like to encourage you to think about what annoyance really means. As homeschool moms, I can pretty much bet you're annoyed by something today. And I want you to look at what they're doing that you're finding annoying and see if you can wrap it up with a pretty bow and make it into a good thing. Now, I am a Pollyanna, it's true, but I did not see that chess was a good thing when I was homeschooling high school. It was not until much later. So I want you to think about, what is your child doing when they're supposed to be cleaning their room, making their bed, doing the dishes, or reading the book you gave them to read. Whatever they're doing, A, probably very annoying to you, B, it might be something that you can give them high school credit for. So if they're playing on their guitar, or they're constantly doodling, and can you believe they play these comics all the time? Those annoying things can be high school credit. If you have more questions about that, you might want to look at the total transcript solution. I do talk about that in my free class on transcripts a little bit, and how annoyance can go on your high school transcript. And until then, hang in there, ladies and gentlemen. It is annoying, but I'm telling you, one day they're going to grow up and leave home, and you would give anything to play chess with them again. So have a great day. Bye-bye.